What tenants have you been working on in the past 6 months?
Primarily Dollar General, but we've also worked on a couple Advance Auto Parts, O'Reilly's, Family Dollar.
What geographic region are these deals in?
Primarily the Southeast, but we have covered states as far as Maine, Arkansas, Illinois, as well as Louisiana, Mississippi, North Carolina, South Carolina, and Georgia.
Where are the cap rates trading at? What range on these deals have you sold or put under contract?
The cap rates vary depending on the credit of the tenant, the lease term remaining, and of course the landlord responsibilities. But the triple net deals with more than 10 years are definitely at very aggressive cap rates, especially if they're strong locations, as low as 5.2, and probably with 10 years or more up in the low sixes, like 6.25. So low fives to low sixes on triple net. Double net deals are, depending on the lease term remaining and landlord responsibilities and location, are anywhere in the mid sevens to mid to upper nines. I mean, we're selling a few deals in the upper nines that only have 2.5 to 3 years left of lease terms, so that's definitely coming into play.
What effects, if any, are you seeing from the pandemic?
Well, there's definitely a low supply, and it was also an election year, so people tend to stay on the sidelines during election year, but the pandemic also created a little bit of slowness in transactions, which also led to higher demand. They extended the 1031 last year to July 15th, so that created kind of a water flow or a waterfall of 1031s that have continued to roll since October in 45 to 60 day demand periods. I think it'll maybe stabilize it a little bit now that tax planning is done, but the pandemic definitely created greater demand actually as the year rolled on.
So to wrap things up, how would you describe the current market conditions thus far in 2021?
The cap rates are at historical lows. I've been in the business 19 years, and these are the lowest cap rates and the lowest supply we've seen. We still have low interest rates, which keeps the demand high. So it's a great time to be a seller, not a great time to be a buyer.